Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota Prius Custom. This casting is by Hotwheels and it's new for 2026. It's from the main line, looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So before we deep dive into everything, let's have a quick look. You can see it's a custom Prius, a lot of custom details. We can have a quick look, I guess. So here's the custom Toyota Prius, and even at the first look I can see there's a lot of good details, especially being a main line, and I think you're gonna like it. Now I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front you can see the headlamp is nicely detailed. Since it's a custom, so you got a lower splitter there, a wider body kit. You can see how wide it is. I don't know why the vent is there. Maybe they did some modification, I guess, but it misses out on mirrors. I don't know why. In this day and era, should have mirrors. There are a lot of good details in the front, as you can see. It looks good. Now, assuming it's a left-hand drive, because I can't really see. Well, actually, I can see it's a left-hand drive. So it does have windshield mirrors. Sorry, windshield wipers. You can see. Now on the side, this is where you can see a lot of modifications. You can see those blue wheels, which look really good. I like the white and blue combination. The wider body kit, which reads RSR, Advan, Phrase, DL4U. I think you know the sponsor. I don't know what this sign is. Somebody does know, let me know. Also on the side, you can notice there's like this big roof box. Yeah, kind of integrated into it. So it looks like specially designed for this one. Rear door is, well, it's consumed by the body kit, but the front door is still there with the door handle. And you can also see there is a fuel filler on the white fender on the rear. It can be either charging port or can be fuel filler, depending on which variant it is. I think there are two. One has like where you can plug it in, other one is just like a regular hybrid, so you don't have an option plug in. You can see the white body kit here too. Looks nice. The tree pillar is part of the glass, not the metal of the actual car. Moving to the rear, there are two things. The headlamp is kind of detailed. It's not completely detailed. So if you see, there are like different design and angles to it. So it looks like it's slightly like there are details. It's not painted though, but there are details. You can see where the Toyota badge is. Again, not painted, but you can still figure it out. Prius on the boot lid, and since it's the white body, you can see again how the body kit continues here with a diffuser in the back, and you can see the roof box or top box, how it ends here. Covers almost like it ends up like a spoiler in the roof. Might be because the shape is done in a way to help it out, I guess, in the aero. Passenger side looks almost identical. The difference, the fuel filler. This is how it looks from the top. So it seems like there's a carbon fiber kind of texture on the roof box and the roof. I don't know how. Like, will somebody do? Someone might do a carbon fiber one. This is how the base looks, so no real detail there, just a flat base. Overall, I think even without the detailed tail lamp and the mirrors, it's really good looking casting for the mainline. I forgot to mention the Toyota badge on the front, so it's right there. It still looks good, and I actually like the design of the current gen Prius, this one. So it does look good, doesn't look bad, looks nice, and I think if you find one, which in my case has been really hard, but if you can find one, go for it. It's a nice casting. Well, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.